So in this video, I want to just cover a quick solution for those of you that are trying to figure out how to record your face and share the screen at the same time without needing a bunch of technology to do it. Now, I've talked a lot about different tools and platforms that are out there, including Vimeo and all of the other fun ones. Feel free to check out our reviews for more in-depth tutorials. But in this one, I'm just going to do a quick overview of a really well-known platform called Vimeo. And Vimeo is actually what we personally use for all of our video editing and for where we store all of our content, and where I'm actually recording this one right now. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here, and I'm going to show you exactly how Vimeo works with its recording studio and how we use it for creating our fun little videos where we're sharing our screen and going over different components. Here we are. This is actually the back end of our Vimeo account, and I'm going to pull up all my fun little tester videos here, which I like to just do a bunch of tests before we start recording content. So Vimeo actually has an option in here where you can go direct to record, and when you go to record, you'll be able to actually choose the different layout options that you want here, but you have the option to come over into the layout as you're recording actively, or you can pause your recording and continue picking up. And with that layout view, you have the ability to choose different types of screens that you want to share. So you can come in and you can choose to record your whole screen, a certain window, whatever it is that you're wanting to do. And what I'm doing right now, I'm recording the screen of me sharing my screen. A little wild there, as you can see, but it's great because it's an easy way to, instead of having to like edit all of your videos where you're constantly having to put like new content in, you can easily just come in here and pick whatever you want to share. And then you can also just easily adjust how you want your face to look inside of the video. So in my personal opinion, I think it's probably one of the easiest ways to create content. That way you're not having to do the whole upload download thing. I'm going to switch gears over here so we can stop looking at two of me. But essentially the issue that I had was when I was trying to use different like webcams and cameras and all of the different tools, I had to basically export the video from the camera onto the computer and then upload it to Vimeo and then have my editor edit it and then have them upload it again. And it was just a lot of extra work and time. So instead what we started doing is just finding ways to record directly onto the video editing platform. And since we use Vimeo for any of the editing that we're doing that's actually like being edited manually, that's where we'll go ahead and record them directly. If I'm using platforms like Vimeo, which we talked about again in different videos, they do actually have this feature in there as well. So you can easily record your screen and your face and record all of the content and edit it all within the platform. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have additional questions about Vimeo or any other videos, editing and recording softwares, feel free to comment down below and we'll be sure to check them out and record additional reviews for you in future videos. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It does make a big difference to this small channel. And as always, if you have additional questions or other content you'd like us to review, go ahead and feel free to comment down below and we'll be sure to create additional videos for you. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I'll see you next time.